With student management, you can pay attention to each student and cater to their individual needs with ease. You can see your students, their current group, username, and password. And this is where you can invite parents or guardians to sign up for a parent account. Enter their email address and they'll be sent an email. Once they have signed up, you will see a green tick here. For each student, you can click the 3 dots and you'll see different options: student certificate, parent letter, and login cards, which can now be emailed directly to parents. You can move them to another class or group. We'll look at groups in another video. You can also edit student details. If there was a spelling error, you can change that here. You can change their username or password. And Matific has over 40 different languages, so you can change the language for a student if required. Learning level is about Adventure Island. For example, if a student was given some extra help by a sibling and has found themselves on too high a level, you can change that here. Weekly Quest is the number of minutes that you want your students to aim to use Matific during a week. The options that are available via the 3 dots are also available for multiple students when you select them by checking their boxes. The one to be most conscious of is Delete Account. Once a student's account is deleted, it cannot be undone. So please be extra careful with this option.